Since the birth of finish lines, Ford has been uniting quality and innovation to build the legends that cross them. The legacy lives on today, and it's an experience we share through every Ford Performance Parts product. Everyone deserves to make the most out of their Mustang. If you're looking for a way to tighten up the front end of your S550 Mustang GT, the Ford Performance Strut Tower Brace Kit provides next-level benefits that are practical for any driver. A strut tower brace connects the strut towers to make the chassis sturdier, which helps get rid of flex when you're turning into and out of hard corners. It works because it keeps your strut towers from individually deflecting with the force created by cornering. Instead of each strut tower reacting on its own, the brace holds them parallel and they move together. Corner forces are dispersed and all four tires are better planted to the ground. In other words, you're getting a better contact patch, which limits understeer. If you like to hit the track or drive often on curvy roads, the traction and stability provided by a strut tower brace is right in your wheelhouse. The Ford Performance Strut Tower Brace Kits fits the 2015 to 2018 Mustang GT, EcoBoost, and Shelby GT350 models, but it's also the original equipment piece used on the Shelby GT350R, Ford's best-performing Mustang. The kit comes with one GT350R Strut Tower brace, one cowl C-brace, and the 4 nuts you need to get it all mounted. The brace is made of high-strength tubular aluminum and weighs 2.5 pounds less than a comparable stamped steel brace, a valuable quality for competitive performance. Whenever you pop your hood, the brace's attractive finish is going to turn heads, and thanks to the powder coating, heads will still be turning several years down the road. To top it all off, installation is fast and easy. You can do it in your own garage in under an hour. If you're planning on making more suspension upgrades in the future, this kit is a great option, since the Strut Tower brace will start you off with a tight, stable foundation. Regardless of what you do with your vehicle, you're going to notice more consistent handling across the board. If you're on a budget and the weight savings of aluminum isn't your top priority, there's also a less expensive steel Strut Tower brace kit you can check out from Ford Performance Parts. By the way, if you happen to need a Strut Tower brace kit to fit your right-hand driving Mustang, we have them too. Subscribe to the Ford Performance YouTube channel so we can send more informative videos like this one your way. To learn more about this or any other Ford Performance Parts product, visit our website at performanceparts.ford.com or call our tech line to speak with one of our product experts, 800-367-3788. Click on Dealer Directory to find a Ford Performance Parts dealer near you. No matter what type of enthusiast or racing applications, Ford Performance has the premium quality factory engineered parts to fuel your passion.